Welcome out, ladies and gentlemen. We're just going to be pruning these petunias. As you can see, these are cuttings that I took in last year, end of last year, sorry, after I took my plants in. As you can see, that's some nice little side shoots there. I just sprayed them yesterday or the day before powdery mildew. So, a sharp set of scissors, it must be sharp. All I do is cut them down to just above a leaf, like that, like so. That way they'll send out side shoots. It's so relaxing, this. I know people think, oh no, it's boring. But with everything that's going on right now, it's such a relaxing hobby. I don't know if you can hear the birds singing, but it's just so relaxing. So relaxing. Tweet. There we go. One there. This one there. Nearly done on that one. Let's show you. There's 4 plants here. I took these a cutting off somebody's garden that I liked last year, just before the first frost. As you can see, you've got all the side shoots coming out. See there and there. And what you can do with these is you can put these on to get some more cuttings. So all you have to do then is just pinch back some of the lower leaves like so. Snip off anything that's like going to set seed. So these are faded flowers and they're seed pods, so you want to get rid of all them. And you want to nip out the top so it's not spending any energy or time setting seed or flowers. All you need to do is, I'll just get, wait me a second, you need to get your compost. It's a peat-based compost. I think it's about £7 for 100 odd litres. This stuff is really good. Make sure it's nice and damp, your compost. Fill it in like that. Sorry about that. Give it a good tap down. Take your cutting in the corner. I always like to, in the corner, it seems to take better that way. Like so. That's all I've done with these. As you can see, down the corner. I know they look a bit raggedy at the bottom. That's because I let them dry out, which you shouldn't do. That's a big no-no. But I'll pull these back and they'll end up fine. Time summer gets here. So I'll just take you through some more of these. Like these all off cuts that would be wasted otherwise. Pull the leaves back. Like so. That's it. Pinch the top out. That way they're not putting any energy into wasting. Into the corner like so. Just do a couple more. I hope everybody else is keeping safe out there. I know it's a terrible time at the moment, and I just hope we can all get through it nice and safely. Fingers crossed, touch wood. If it helps you, go out, do a bit of gardening, do a bit of weeding, order some plants online. Anything, just take your mind off things, because I know it helps me. It really does help me a lot. Right, that's the third one in. Get one more after this one. If they take, they take. If they don't, it's not the end of the world, is it? It's a tiny one, this one. This might not take this, but we'll find out. So, get the leaves off. And they should root from any of the sections there. Only in that corner. And then all you need to do is give them a really good water. And look after them, make sure no frost, plenty warm enough. Anyway, that's how I go about pruning my petunias for this summer. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like your videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, everybody, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Oh, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you. Bye.